another program of our ideal school, that is Jilla Parishad Upper Primary School, Kutala. Today we have organized an interview of a very active and young, dashing, dynamic personality of our school. Let's welcome Honorable Vanzari teacher on this interview with 3 rounds of applause. Start, clap. Ma'am, I am Vijay Kanke. I would love to ask many questions to you. On today, we have organized an interview, and we know that you are a very responsible teacher as well as performing the role of headmaster. So, to give your guidance to our students, we have organized this initiative. And so my first question to you is, could you please tell your full name to our students?
Okay. Good morning, everybody. My full name is Rekha Prahlad Vanzari at Chandrapur.
And how long you have been teaching, ma'am?
I teach in 36 years service.
Nice to see that you are very experienced teacher. Ma'am, where do you live, ma'am?
I live in Chandrapur and service Kutala.
I just want to know that what is your profession? Means who are you by profession?
I am teacher, graduate teacher.
Ma'am, we know that you are a teacher, but apart from teaching, you are performing the role of a headmaster. So there are many responsibilities that you must be shouldering on your shoulders. So what are those responsibilities? Could you please throw some light on it?
I plan timetable of school. I take meeting of SMC and I look after midday meal. I provide opportunities to all students. Example, athletics games. I guide students and I provide many scholarships to SC, ST, NT, OBC, etc.
Thank you, ma'am. So these are various responsibilities that you perform being as an headmaster of this school. So apart from these responsibilities, you have a responsibility of teaching students. So what subjects do you teach, ma'am?
I teach English, Marathi, Hindu and other activities, other subjects. Thank you.
It's really very wonderful to know about you. So could you please tell us something about your family background, your son, daughters? Our students like to know that.
My family background very happy. I have one daughter and one son, and very happy. Both are service and happy, very happy. My family is very happy.
We come to know that you have a very younger kid in your family. So tell us something about him.
My grandson means Natu. My grandson is very naughty and very noisy. His name is Ayansh Durgesh Bandhani.
So ma'am has a very good family. Her family members include 6 members, including her daughter, her daughter-in-law, her son, she herself, and one grandson. So apart from let's come back to your responsibilities, ma'am. How do you make our students active? Being the headmaster of this school, how do you maintain the discipline in this big school? That is my question.
Okay. This question is very important. I have established a school, cabinet in school. There are many heads of various departments. Example, English lab, science lab, robotic lab, and other and school library and other heads in our school cabinet. Our heads perform their duties so well.
So in this way, we have organized a little interview of our honorable headmaster, Honorable Banjari teacher. So next time, okay, yeah. In the well functioning of this school, there are many local people. Their role is very important. So we have established a school management committee. In every government school, there is a school management committee. So how do you think, is the school management committee help you, or how do they cooperate you? Please, we want to know about this.
SMC head are SMC members to attend meetings. They cooperate us in our many programs and many things provide. Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, there is very important question that I want to ask you. You have been teaching since 36 years. You have devoted your life for the betterment of all these students. So what would be your message to our students? Yeah.
Your message, give message. तुम्हाला आठवत नाही ना? वेगळं आठवलं की तुम्हाला आठवलं तर काय आहे त्याच्यात की माणसाला अडचणी पुष्कळ येतात, पण त्या अडचणीवर मात, अडचणीमध्ये संधी शोधली पाहिजे. संधीमध्ये अडचणी नाही निर्माण करायच्या, तर अडचणीमध्ये संधी शोधून पुढे गेलं पाहिजे. म्हणजे माणसाला इच्छा तिथे मार्ग ते जर असेल तर माणूस खूप पुढे जाऊ शकतो. थँक्यू. एवढं तुम्ही ऐकल्याबद्दल, आणि हा संदेश प्रत्येक मुलाला लागू होतो. कारण की संधीमध्ये अडचण शोधायची नाही, तर अडचणीमध्ये संधी शोधायची. लक्षात. थँक्यू.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So in this way, today we have organized our interview, and next day or day after tomorrow there will be another teacher, and we will practice this interview with every teacher and every student in our school, and every student will get opportunity to become the host of the interview and the person, the guest. So in this way we will take interview practice. आणि तुम्हाला एक महत्त्वाची गोष्ट सांगायची आहे, आपण देण्यामध्ये एक्सपर्ट झालो तर आदरणीय आमदार साहेब ते स्वतः आपल्या शाळेमधून ते तुम्हाला वेळ देतील, याची गॅरंटी मी देतो. कारण